Hello everyone, this is a preview from Autogefühl here with Thomas. In this preview we'll talk about the all-new BMW 7 Series with the first camo shots here. So, showing you that, and also we'll give you the basic information of what to expect, especially technology-wise, because indeed there are actually some new technologies which are very interesting. The new generation of the 7 Series will be 130 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. The most spectacular feature will be a carbon core in the chassis, which is saving about 40 kilograms of the weight. We will see that very soon in a 3D animation. Watch out for that. BMW sets on the special mix of carbon-fibre-reinforced plastic, CFRP. The rest of the chassis consists of steel and aluminum. So they have put the center of gravity lower, so that should be more like a smaller model as for driving dynamics. From serial production there will be an adaptive air suspension. As for engines, we can expect a new 6-cylinder. For the first time we will see a touchscreen inside the BMW. Also, hand movements shall be detected by a special gesture control. Check out the expert demonstration later in this video, that's really interesting and you'll see how this new technology will work. Furthermore, BMW will offer a remote parking system where the car parks automatically without a driver at the steering wheel. You will be able to control the parking process with the car key, so you can watch and wait. And actually, you can also access very narrow parking lots by this technology. And now let's listen to BMW experts explaining some of the interesting new technologies.
In the new 7 Series, we first and extensive used carbon fiber in the body structure and in the segment. The body structure makes the largest contribution in weight reduction up to 130 kilograms in the car. The carbon core named body structure is the central element of this luxury sedan. We transferred the technology of the BMW i models in the BMW 7 Series now.
Connected drive plays a major role in our future enhancement for HMI systems. So we have included our Idrive Controller, well known to all BMW drivers, to operate our Idrive. We also included now a full touch display where you can use touch, pinch and swipe gestures, as we know from the CE industry. We also include and extend our voice control, where we will have not just commando-based language but also natural speaking. And in addition to that, very new in the 7 Series, we will have gesture control, so open room gesture control to initiate certain commandos or interact with the vehicle for very efficient reasons. We have this room up here which is monitored by a camera, infrared camera, that can actually capture your motion right in this room. And for example, with this simple gesture, I can turn up the volume or I can turn it back down. Also, we have gestures that are context sensitive. This is a global gesture working in any screen. Context-sensitive gestures will actually work in certain screens at certain occasions when you have to draw your attention. So I will initiate a call. I will get called now, and I see Heather is calling me. I'm waiting for a call, and what I do is actually I accept the call with a simple gesture, and then I can talk to Heather. Let's hang up on Heather, but initiate another call. If I have a call and somebody calls and I'm distracted, I don't want to talk, or I want to send this person to my voicemail, I can just decline the call very easily with this simple gesture. This gesture will not work under any other condition, just when this initiation comes up.
He's getting cruder by the hour.
Hello, you have dialed my number. Hello, you have dialed my number, but unfortunately I am not at home.
Seven, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9.
Lightweight for the 7 Series is a very important item. We lowered the weight of the whole complete car up to 130 kilograms, and the largest contribution is about 40 kilograms the body in white. A highly innovative profile beginning at the A pillar, over the B pillar up to the C pillar, and it's one part.
Adaptive means that depending on your driving style and depending on where you are, the car will set up the car as best as possible. Therefore, we use signals from the steering. Further, we know, due to the GPS system, the exact position of the car.
I drive with the actual speed. My car tells me there is a speed limit coming up. I accept that speed limit, and the car decelerates right on the spot. And now I reach the right speed at the sign.